Sending a professional demand letter through Dispute is fast and simple. Select the type of dispute, put in your case information such as amount, name, and addresses, review, and select Get Demand Letter. After you pay, you can start your letter right away with our live editor. Add in important details here, such as reasons why you're owed money, and you can see what the letter will look like right away in our live editor. Review the PDF demand letter you've created and hit approve. Now you've sent the letter on its way. You can keep track of the letter's status on your Dispute dashboard. Check out our other easy-to-use products at getdispute.com/pricing.